to another video. This is Manisha Faisals. So in today's video, we will talk about the 80/20 principle. What if I tell you that 20% of your actions determines the 80% of the results, whether your productivity, money, happiness, or stress? It's not that evenly distributed. Most of the things that we do does not matter as much as we think. Zoom into the power of 80/20 and see how it transforms your life. This 80/20 principle was discovered by an economist, Wilfredo Pareto, which reveals the natural imbalance in the world. It was originally observed in the wealth distribution. 80% of the land in Italy was owned by 20% of the people. But it applies everywhere. 20% of the consumers generate 80% of the sales. 20% of your habits are responsible for 80% of your stress. Or 20% of your efforts are responsible for 80% of your progress. So the concept here is not everything is equally important. Focus on what matters and make the biggest difference. Of 80/20 in our lives. We talk about productivity. Instead of making a to-do list of 10 or more items, identify those two which create the real impact. In case of business and money, identify that product that will generate most of the revenues. Identify that 20% of your clients will generate most of the problems and drop them. Apply it, double down what works and drop what doesn't. Only a very few number of people are responsible for creating the real joy in your life. And very few habits of yours are responsible for creating the real peace or the stress in your life. So who and what you focus on intentionally. Now here are some warnings and misunderstandings related to this principle. Not always 80/20s. Sometimes it may be 90/10, right? Or even 95/5. But try to be perfectly efficient. The point here is to take the leverage. Point 2. I'm not saying you to neglect that 80% completely, but to prioritize the 20% which create the real impact. Start seeing the world through the lens of 80/20, everything changes. You stop chasing busy works, you simplify, you declutter your life and create space for those small things which really matters. Success doesn't come from doing more, it comes from doing less, but doing it better. Tell me in the comments that one area of your life where you want to apply this principle of 80/20. And if you found the video useful, do like, share and subscribe.